We're scared. Here I come from the west side.
Yes, sir.
Let me begin your test. Good afternoon, I'm your examiner today. My name is RP. Could you tell me your full name, please?
My full name is Kulveer Kaur.
Okay, Kulveer. Can I see your ID, please?
Yes, sure. You get it.
Let me check. That's fine. Thank you so much. All right. So, Kulveer, what kind of apps do you often use?
I use WhatsApp and YouTube. I use these apps on a regular basis, in fact daily. I use WhatsApp to chat with my kith and kin, and YouTube to gain knowledge.
Okay, what mobile app do you want to have?
I want to have Oxford Dictionary. It costs arm and leg, but I want to purchase this app because this is so valuable and fruitful for me to enhance my mental horizon.
Okay, do you want to make your own app?
No, I never thought about it. I know I never thought about it because I think it needs a vast knowledge, and I have no knowledge about making apps. So that's why I don't want to make any app.
Okay, do you often do exercises?
Yes, I do exercise regularly because I want to remain fit as a fiddle. To remain as a fit. That's why I do regular exercises.
Okay, what kind of exercises do you do?
Nowadays I do simple exercises like jogging, cycling, walking. Sometimes I also prefer to do cardiovascular exercise to improve my immune system.
Okay, in the future, do you want to try some new ways of exercises?
Yes, of course, because I want to remain physically and mentally strong, and in the future I want to do asanas of yoga because they are very beneficial for our mind and body.
Okay, this is time for your cue card, and topic for cue card is describe a goal that you achieved which was set by you. When it was, when did you set it, how did you achieve it, and explain how it influenced your life. So this is your topic. Paper you can use. I'll give you 1 minute. You can use this pen, please. And your time starts now.
More carrots. We're scared. Here I come from the west side. The left side. The right brain.
Okay, your time's up. Start, please.
Well, I think that life without goal is meaningless because I always set a goal which I after that I strive each and every nerve to fulfill my dream to win the bounties of life. Here I would like to talk about a goal which was set by myself and I achieved it successfully. Actually, when I was in 11th standard, I secured 60% and I was so disappointed. My father and my parents all were very disappointing at that time. So that was the time when I set a goal that in the 12th standard I would secure 91%. So that was the time when I set a goal. First of all, I think that it is a Herculean task because as you know that math is a difficult subject, but I determined to my target. I want to accomplish my goal. So I trained my each and every nerve. I work hard. I determined to my goal. I made a timetable. I work according to it, and I also take a help from online tutors. Finally, our exam was held in the March month, and I did my best. I did what I can do for my what I can did for my exam. After my examination was finished in the March month and our result was announced to be declared in the April month, but due to the corona pandemic our result was delayed and it was declared in the August month. And I was so excited at that time because I work hard and I want to accomplish my goal. When I got my result, I was over the moon because I secured a 94.4 percentage. I was so happy at that time, so delighted because I am the one student in my school who secured 90 above percentage, and I also set a record in my school. So this was the time when I set a goal, and my father and my all school teachers were feeling proud at me. They hold a successful party for me. By and large, I would like to say that this goal always motivates me to work hard in my life to achieve difficult tasks. So this is a goal which I set and achieved.
Thank you so much. Can I take that back, please? Thank you. Okay. So let me ask you some more questions, please. Should people write down goals or simply memorize them?
I think people should write down goals, because if I take about example of myself, I write down my goals because by writing my goals, I gain more motivation by reading them again when I feel like giving up or when I feel like that I am losing my hope and I can do nothing. Then I read my goals and I got more inspiration to do work hard.
Okay, do Indian people usually set goals?
Yes, of course. Every Indian people set a goal because all want to become a successful person in their lives. Like that, on a 1st January, on a New Year day, me and all my friends set a goal, and we share our goals with each other and resolutions also.
Okay, is it okay parents set goals for their children?
To be honest, I reckon that to the limited age, like that when a children is not mature, then parents should keep the goal of their children. But after the age of 10 or 11, children should be motivated by their parents to keep goals, because if at that time if their parents set their goal for themselves, children have no motivation at the same level in which if they set goal for themselves.
Okay, what should be the age of young people for setting goals?
I think there is no fixed age. It is totally depend on self-fulfillment and maturity of the person. Some people like to have a goal in their earlier age because they want to be accomplish more and more, and they want to have a more self-fulfillment. And others have a late maturity, and they prefer to set a goals in their later life.
Okay, what kind of goals are unrealistic, you would say?
From my point of view, those goals are unrealistic, which are not affordable. Like someone have a goal for space traveling, it is not affordable, and the goals are like to a dramatic change in the personality. It is unrealistic for me.
Okay, what is better, to work toward a goal or achieve it?
In my opinion, both are fulfilling in their own sense, because if I talk about working toward a goal, it is a Herculean task, daunting task, I would say, because we can overcome a difficult challenge. We face difficulties, and we do our best to win the bounties of life. And if I talk about the fulfillment, after we achieve our goal, we realize that our efforts make a difference. So both have their own importance.
Okay, last question for today, and that is, how important is it to have realistic goals?
I think realistic goals have their own advantage and disadvantage. If I talk about unrealistic goal, we cannot fulfill them. We feel like we are giving up, we are not able to do anything, and it is harmful for also, because by setting a realistic goal, we are limited in our boundaries. We cannot thought limitless. So I think that it has own merits and demerits of realistic goals.
Thank you so much. This is the end of your speaking test.